Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda and welcome to my YouTube family. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to create this eye makeup look. Just an FYI, in the beginning of this video, I forgot to turn on my mic. So I was going off and rambling about what I was doing and the palette that I used, and the mic was off. So you have to excuse me for that. I feel like I've been just playing more with color lately. I love playing with color. I'm definitely not afraid of wearing this look out. I'm actually going out tonight and I am just going to rock this pink eyeshadow. So if you want to see how I get this eye makeup look, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So I realized in the middle of me blending, my microphone wasn't on. So what I was saying is I'm going to be using this BOXYCHARM in collab with Pure palette. Look at how pretty that is. So I've already picked up these two shades right over here, and I applied that in my crease. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a 224 blending brush by MAC and just apply those two colors right into my crease. To add a little bit of depth, we're gonna pick up this color here. This one is called BFF, and don't make fun of my brush, but I've had this brush over a decade now, and it actually used to look like this, but fluffier. And I haven't even done anything. The brushes, as I've cleaned them, they've just fallen off. But I actually like it because I'll show you guys how I like to blend my eyeshadow with this brush. I like literally pick up a little bit of that, like right at the tip, and then I am able to kind of focus it in the areas that I want the product to be placed, so it doesn't get everywhere. It just gives you that wash of color. Next, I'm going to pick up a little bit of my eye base that I use. This one is by Benefit and it is called Lemonade, and I am going to place that on my lid. This is just going to allow the eyeshadow just to stand out a lot more. Now we're going to pick up a Charmer and apply that right on the lid. And I'm just picking up that blending brush and just kind of going back and forth and blending out the crease. I'm going to pick up my Razor Sharp by Urban Decay. We are going to just create that wing. For lashes, we're going to be using the MYKONOS lashes by LILLY lashes. And I'm just going to cut them just to make sure that they fit my eye. So now I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes with this Pure Fully Charged mascara. This mascara is so good. I feel like there's a lot of good mascaras, but this one doesn't leave my bottom lashes like clumpy. I like them, especially with the look like this, to be kind of separated and just full, but never clumpy. They're very subtle but noticeable at the same time, so I definitely love that mascara for my bottom lashes. So next we're going to be using this Make Them Blush by, this is the Pretty Vulgar, and it came in the BOXYCHARM box. So we're going to apply this all over the cheek, and I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever 160 wavy and straight brush, and I'm just going to apply that right on the apple of my cheeks. This is really pigmented. I barely touched the blush, and it definitely gave me a lot of color. Just gonna go in with a powder brush that already has a little bit of powder and just kind of blend everything together. Now using this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette, we are going to use this color right here. It's called Afterglow. And just to continue that glow, I'm going to be using this one right here called Blushing Glow. And I'm going to pick up a dual fiber brush. This is what I use to apply my bronzer. Just add that right here just to kind of keep that glow going all over. Do you see how that just kind of glows all together? Now for the lips, I'm gonna be lining them with this Sweet Tea by MORHPE. Because I'm heading out and I want my lipstick to last and I don't have to touch it up throughout the night, what I like to do is I always like to pair a liquid lipstick with a gloss. This one is Virgin by MORHPE, so it's like a nude pink, and it's gonna go perfect with this look. And this is from the Padma collection with MAC and the color NEFERTITI. And I'm just gonna apply that over top. All right, everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, this palette, I feel like you can travel with this palette anywhere. I feel like it has all the shades that you need to create any look, and it's perfect for any occasion, any season. You can definitely do a winter, a summer, a spring look with this palette. Definitely a must-have. Let me know what your thoughts are on this look. If you want to see more creative looks like this using brighter and bolder colors, in the comments down below. And if you have any other suggestions on what else you would like for me to film, just let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video.